Perfect for small workshops, home studios, and artisan businesses, this process saves time while creating items that are both useful and decorative. From stair railings to table legs, from toys to decor, the results add handmade value to every project. It builds focus, improves hand control, and keeps the tradition of woodworking alive. This craft isn't just about shaping wood, it's about shaping skill, patience, and creative expression that lasts for years. Once the form is carved, sandpaper glides gently over the surface to make it glossy and smooth, bringing out the natural shine of the wood.